Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are diving into an exciting project that's bridging two revolutionary worlds, artificial intelligence and decentralized finance. So meet Edwin Finance, okay, the missing link between AI agents and DeFi protocols. So Edwin is a TypeScript library designed to empower AI agents to interact seamlessly with DeFi protocols. Think of it as the infrastructure layer that connects intelligent AI decision-making with complex operations of decentralized finance. So what makes Edwin special? So here are some of its standout features, right? Unified interface. It abstracts away the complexity of blockchain operations, making it easy for AI frameworks to, like LangChain and ELISA, to interact with DeFi protocols like Aave, Uniswap, and Morpho. Cross-chain support. Edwin works across multiple blockchains, including Solana and EVM-based chains, right? So DeFi operations. It supports lending, borrowing, liquidity provision, staking, yield farming, and even portfolio management. With Edwin, developers can create autonomous financial agents, what they call DeFi agents, that optimize yields, manage liquidity, execute arbitrage strategies, and much more. So let's talk about some real use case of Edwin, okay? So what you can do with it, okay? I think the best way would be if we just go to the documentation, and I'll be talking about a framework security action system. Okay, let's go here. All right. So what you can do with it, okay, you can like lending and borrowing. Okay, so you can, for example, you can do some yield optimization. So automate strategies across multiple protocols to maximize returns. Okay, I think that's quite cool. You can take the risk analysis with this project. Okay, you can monitor protocol health and assess investment risk in real time, and you can also market sentiment analysis. You can do with Edwin this well as well. So you can use chain data to identify market trends. So the possibilities are endless as DeFi evolves, okay? So getting started with Edwin is very simple. So basically, developers can install the library using PnP install, okay? Edwin SDK. And that's it, okay? From there, you can configure your wallets, interact with DeFi protocols like Aave, and start building your own financial AI agents, right? So if you're excited about this future of AI-powered finance, Edwin Finance is definitely worth exploring, okay? It's open source, so you have a full documentation here available for you guys on GitHub, right? And there is so many integrations it's available with this one, right? Now, Edwin Finance is already tradable, okay? Obviously, everything what I'm saying here, guys, is not a financial advice, okay? So I'm just doing this video just for informational purposes for you guys to know that this project is there. It is quite impressive and quite interesting, okay? And they already been there on the market. I think they were introduced. When was that? Let me see. January. Okay, January 25th. Okay, so they started to be trading on the January 25th. Okay, and look, that's the price currently. Okay, they're already down 2.2%. Okay, but that's something which obviously it's ranging. Okay, it's ranging, right? So it's not like it's going up all the way or it's going down all the way. Okay, it's ranging. Okay, but the thing is that this is very promising project in my opinion. Okay, not a financial advice, but you can guys go and check it out yourself. Okay, like I think that's quite interesting because when it comes to the DeFi, okay, at the moment when you're joining those DeFi projects, any projects like Meteora, have anything, right? Basically means that you have to keep an eye on it and do your own tweakings here from time to time. Make your own decisions. Obviously, that's which makes sense. Okay, it's your money. It's nice to have to have a full control of it. But this one, okay, what it actually gives you what the additional advantage would be with this one. Okay, it will they make this AI go into the DeFi. Okay, so those transactions, those I don't know, there's so even the risk analysis analysis will be made by my AI, okay? And AI can be trained. If they have a loads of data, okay, to be trained on, they can be very good in what they be doing, right? So I think that's why, from this perspective, it's quite interesting, okay, to have a look into it, okay? Obviously, not a financial advice, guys. If you want, you can go ahead and check it out yourself, and I think that's all what I want to cover in this video, right? So if you have any questions, just leave it down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave the like if you did, and also if you can subscribe to my channel, we much appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching.